Latest on transfer news sanibona bafethu uvana lo so I'm back again with indaba zakubhethe Premiership. Amathimba amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Ngizoqala ngeindaba ke bafethu esiyibonile namhlanje ade ihamba phambili nje bafethu the former Orlando Pirates player namhlanje uzakhelele pasa uannouncewe Iswelele FC. Iswelele FC naye bafethu iyona le club le iyona ekwazile ukuyithola isigning yakhe umchita ade ayimfuna Iswelele kanti maningi vele ama club uzakhelele pasa ayimfuna yabo isigning yakhe kumchita ugcine isitholwa Iswelele FC. Yakhumbula iDurban City FC yayifuna ukumsayina umchita but ke he chose to go le Bloemfontein ayodlalela Iswelele. I think iDurban City kwazoba team right for yena umjida but ke going to Iswelele mhlambe khona uzoyithola igame time kunabadlali abanjengo Ohizu azobanga nabo ischeme mhlambe umjida lapha uzofika adlale kahle ujoine nje Iswelele on a free transfer. Le top umjida uzodlala khona kahle injury free because ama injury yona enye izinto umjida engamphathi kahle. I don't like abadlali abaningi bala South Africa meba injured yabo, so I so wish mayodlala khona uzodlala kahle aphinde futhi abizwe Hugo Bros because Hugo Bros wayemthanda ngempela lo mdlali lo, so I wish nje mefika lapho uzodlala kahle. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu igame ebafana bafana lezo odlalwa le eMbombela Stadium ngomhla 14 October asephumile ke amathikithi, so leya game le bafethu kumele igcwale ngempela. Igame isibili ke bafana kuma international break because eyokuqala kuzobe kuyigame bafana versus iZimbabwe ke iyona ezobe ihostile le game kodwa ngeizi host le eBotswana izoyihosta eMoses Mabhida. Amathikithi akhona akaphumike ngizon update abafethu masephumile amathikithi aleyo game yaseMoses Mabhida. Into engixakayo ngaleyo game izobe idlalwa ngolesihlanu, so kuzoba nzinyana ukuthi igame igcwale but ke ngizoyiphusha kakhulu le game le because idla eMoses Mabhida ukuze abantu abaningi bafike ngobuningi bayothenga amathikithi bayobukela ibafana. Kuzobe kuyigame yokuqala leyo yebafana uma iwina leyo game leyo kuzoba ngconyana for ibafana cause soba na 3 points kusana leya case leya elengayo yabo, so asifuni ukuthi lama games lawo wo2 asalele kuma World Cup qualifiers siwaluze noma siwa draw, kumele siwawine wonke. So igame bafana uyidlala naseMoses Mabhida kumele igcwale, nalena bafethu siyasodlala neRwanda nje kumele igcwale. Menikhumbula kahle iRwanda yashaya ngosikazidlala away akubanga mnandi, so nale game kumele igcwale bafethu. Ngangitshela ema comments ukuthi ngabe uzoyena ukuyi support bafana eMbombela Stadium. I like iMbombela Stadium me because i-pitch right le i-legend yeCeltic bafethu umjito wevimpela iCeltic i-legend bafethu kuthiwa usejoine iclub yaseCameroon. Ujoine iclub yaseCameroon umjida una 40 years old goalkeeper coach right now eclub ebizwa ngeDynamo Douala yabo. Uyasebenza futhi usebenza under the Cameroon Football Federation as the under 17 national team goalkeeper coach. So umjida izinto ziyamkhanyela kahle ke le ezweni lakhe. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje bafethu iSouth African Football Players Union ithatha uSAFA uyisa le kwi-High Court over its failure to resolve inkinga zama players, leaving 11 professional players denied justice. Kuthiwa lamacala lawa asuselwa back ku-2019. Lamacala lawa kuthiwa involve ama-contract breaches and unpaid wages remain unresolved due to SAFA's inaction and refusal to follow agreed arbitration processes. Yize isingisi la sinzima kakhulu kodwa nje kuthiwa nje uSAFA uzoyiswa enkantolo ngoba kuneyinkinga la, abafuni ukuattenda inkinga amacala lawa abekwa abadlali baningi abadlali kwiSAFA bebengakhokhelwanga, esikhulukazi nje labadlali lawa abadlala amantombazana. Banyana bafethu maningi amacala sasiwabone banyana protester ingafuni ukuyodlala ibhola lamantombazana la South Africa ligcwele nje inkinga, amantombazana amaningi awakhokhelwa, amanye wawo amathima amaningi ayadlala nje awakhokhelwa, so ziningi inkinga ebholeni la South Africa and uSAFA awufuni ukulungisa lezo inkinga lezo. Siyafuna ukubona ibafana ephumaleli yaphezulu, siyayibona ibanyana representa nje kahle iSouth Africa but ibanyana ayikhokhelwa kahle. I'm not saying they should be paid more than ibafana but ibanyana they should be getting imali yangempela bafethu. These players akumele ngabe bayakhala kanje bebe represent South Africa. What if these players just deny yabo banqabe nje ukuthi ba represent iSouth Africa ibafana ungathini ngempela umdlali oshisa ngempela kwiBetway Premiership anqabe ukuyo represent ibafana on the national stage yabo, ngeke kube mnandi lokho. So izinto ezikanje bafethu kumele zilungiswe ngempela, so I so wish le cala leli lizohamba lifike phezulu kuxoshwa abantu. kumele nje kuxoshwe abantu because asikwazi ukukhala ngento eyodwa njalo kade kwaqala ukukhala ngoSafa kumele kube khona izinto ezolungiswa bafethu. But again ngangitshela ama comments, how do you feel about le ndaba liyaSafa bafethu? Kwezinye izindawo bafethu eziphumile namhlanje ama rumors ke layo kuthiwa ucoach uNabi kungenzeka replace uFaldo Davids lapha kwiSimba SC with uBenny McCarthy also in contention of lesa sport lesana. Manikhumbula kahle kuFaldo Davids ushiyile lapha na kwiSimba SC eclub le bese idlalise kahle kakhulu iwinisa ama league. Umjida useyocoacha le kwiRaja Casablanca lapho khona kwacoacha khona uRolani Mgwena le eMorocco. So labo coach labo bawuthuba fethu kungenzeka kube yibona ocoach abazohamba beyocoacha le eTanzania. uNabi bafethu usathana kushiya kweKaizer Chiefs ngezimo bafethu engaqondakala. Mase kuthi uBenny McCarthy currently he's the head coach of the national team yase Kenya and nakhona umjida I think wenza kahle to be honest. The last results engawabona ngosikhathi bedlala kwiChan, I think iKenya idlala ibhola elimnandi kakhulu. So naye ungucoach obalwayo kocoach abangenzeka ba replace uFaldo Davids lapha kwiSimba SC. Ngangitshela ama comments, do you think uBenny McCarthy kumele abuyele le eTanzania ayocoacha iclub njengeSimba SC noma uNabi kumele ahambe khona? But ke I like the thing le ukuthi ocoach abaningi abasuka la kuBetway Premiership they are exploring iAfrica. Yabo, they are exploring iAfrica, they are coaching different clubs la eAfrica. Yonke siyithandayo le bafethu, let's use our homegrown coaches. Yabo, siba export bayocoach amanye ama club la eAfrica babuye neexperience ukuthi ibhola laseAfrica lidlalwa kanjani mase becoach ama team ethu la eAfrica la eSouth Africa mase kuyodlala kwiChampions League. Leyo nto izokwenza ibhola lethu libe ngconywana. Yabo, because ocoach abaningi sebe exportiwe vele sibe out ibhola lidlalwa kanjani ibhola laseAfrica. I don't think mhlawumbe abanye bazongunderstand but yangijabulisa ukubona izinto ezikanje. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu umdlali lo ozosayina iMamelodi Sundowns omusha uMiguel Rezino ona 26 kuthiwa uzojoin iMamelodi Sundowns on a 2-year deal. So le 2-year deal le uzohlala kwiMamelodi Sundowns for 2 years and nje uzoyijoina iMamelodi Sundowns on a free transfer. Yabo, iSundowns ngempela iserious ngokulungisa indaba eyasesiswini sayo. Njoba kusayiniwe nje lo munye bafethu uSantos bamsayinile yena naye uzoreplace ubani uRibeiro bedlala as i-central attacking midfielder. Lo I think lo udlala esiswini, I think uzokwazi ukushintshisana noAlende but ke angiyazi kahle hle iposition yakhe but ngokuzwa kwami ngizwile kuthiwa udlala iposition ecishe ifane neyaAlende as number 8. Yabo, kwezinye izindaba bafethu ugoalkeeper Eden Dreyer has completed his move to Durban City after leaving Cape Town Spurs on a free transfer. Cape Town Spurs ilokile ilahlekelwa nje abadlali bayo on a free. Look right now ugoalkeeper wabo useyojoina nje iDurban City. Umdlali waseFrance bafethu ona 25 years old odlala as a forward uMehdi Omari has sealed his move to the Rockets on a free transfer after leaving iclub yase-USA iUnion Omaha bafethu. Ngijabulisa kakhulu ukubona ama moves enziwa iTS Galaxy kanje. iTS Galaxy ayidlali when it comes to scouting. They do proper scouting at TS Galaxy. I don't know who is in charge of proper scouting lapha. Yabo iTS Galaxy mase kuba ile club play still is they know how to scout some players. So I like into kanje bafethu they signed umdlali waseFrance. Kwezinye izindawo bafethu uGrant Johnson ongomunye wabantu abahambile lapha kwiswelele technical staff. Kwezinye izindawo bafethu engizwile kuthiwa iFIFA ithe cha kwiBloemfontein for iLesotho versus eNigeria and iZimbabwe. Mukhumbula kahle ke iLesotho inama games awu2 ewasalele iyodlala neNigeria mase iphinde futhi idlale neZimbabwe. iLesotho bifuna ukwadlala lama games le eBloemfontein but ke iFIFA isibonile ukuthi cha ama games adlala le eBloemfontein awekho right because ipitch lapha ayikho right. Kuthiwa igame kungenzeka idlalwe le eGqeberha. So abantu baseGqeberha abafethu kungenzeka babukele igame yeLesotho versus eNigeria. Ngifuna nje baphume omningi bawo supporta iLesotho lapha iNigeria angifuni ibone elidlalayo against iLesotho. Yabo, kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke bafethu kuthiwa iChipa isidimande iPSL ukuthi iyobheka urefi uphila ngenkosi Khumalo after their game with iSikhukhune United. Ziningi izinto esizibone kuleya game iSikhukhune United kune penalty nje eyenziwe ngo76 minutes iyasho nje iChipa United kuyasho kuthiwa second half ibibias kakhulu, all big calls abe against iChipa United, integrity of imatch yabo ayikho right. So iclub icela iPSL to investigate a possible external influence including ibribery. Yabo, iyacela ngempela iChipa United ukuthi kuke kubhekwe ngempela usikahlahle bekwenze njani because noma wasuyibhekele lawa ama penalty ade bekwizolo. Hayi ngempela iyadinga ukuthi iPSL ikibheke urefu futhi kahlahle urefu hey